Hey, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. This is our first video in a long time, and I'm sorry about that, but you know, sometimes things happen, life gets in the way. But we're going to try and do more videos this year. We got a couple of big trips planned and some build stuff that we're doing. Speaking of build stuff we're doing, we're going to be hardtailing this 2000 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200. I got the hardtail kit from Throttle Addiction, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be following along with their YouTube channel on how to get this build done. So let's just tell you about the video and about the new bike. So I'm going to show you around the bike right now, and we'll get back to this. So we're gonna do a few videos on tearing this down and then getting the hardtail put on and then putting it all back together. I have a few ideas that I'm working on in my head for how I want the finished project to look, but I still got a little ways before that because I still got to, like I said, tear this all down, get the hardtail put on, start putting it back together, and then making my choices for what I want. I'm thinking of Springer front end, definitely. Not sure on the front wheel handlebars yet, but definitely a Springer, and that's really all I got right now in my head for this design. With the hardtail kit I got, it has a king and queen seat, tall sissy bar, you know, give it that classic chopper look. So just follow along and, you know, check back, and we'll keep you guys updated. Thanks again for following us.